Hey there! Welcome to Hommie. Ever wondered what the difference is between a sunroom and a solarium? Let's dive in. Sunroom vibes. A sunroom has big windows and a solid roof, making it a perfect cozy spot for lounging, playing, or entertaining all year round. Solarium style. A solarium, on the other hand, is all about those glass walls and roof. It's like being outside, but with all the indoor comforts. Perfect for plant lovers and stargazers. Custom and affordable. With Hommie, you get factory direct pricing on custom-designed sunrooms and solariums. Top-notch quality without breaking the bank. Ready to transform your home with a Hommie sunroom or solarium? Visit hommiealu.com and let's get started.